In the last video, I took my newly purchased Datsun 620 pickup to get repaired by Chiang Mai's top mechanic, Bon. After a few days, I was excited to go and pick it up and find out what repairs had been done. Judging by Bon's messages throughout the night, he was just as excited to be working on it as I was to pick it up. Back home I would be dreading a trip to the garage and the inevitable gut-wrenching bill that would follow. But here I was looking forward to it, and I had a feeling Bon would look after me. But this was still going to be a big repair job, and just how much work was needed, I'd soon find out. Is it good?
Good, yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I'll just put these down.
And touring. Then go to the Phuket, to Chiang Mai.
Oh, go everywhere, yeah.
Yeah.
Show us what you've done.
And distributor, you know. This
Oh, distributor, yeah.
This,
Oh, too much,
this
yeah,
no
too
good.
much clay, yeah.
And this, you know, to
Yeah, the points.
yeah,
Yeah.
big. This no good.
No.
I change.
Oh, nice, nice.
This rotor, you know.
Oh, okay, so yeah, move, yeah, and dig, yeah.
In one set. This one set. And the big this is carburetor. Inside has a broken.
Oh, right.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
oil.
Yeah.
Spark hook.
I see.
Spark hook. This this okay, you know.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, no good.
This sensor oil switch.
No good, yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
That's everything. This start with the take.
Oh, yeah.
And the pop and the new the wire in the distributor. This and change the new one and check brake side system. Check brake, all brake. Everything like me cleaning, okay. Cleaning. This cleaning.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the new one.
Oh!
The new one, yeah. Okay, like
Oh, yeah. There was one more part we needed, a fuel filter. So we jumped in Bon's very tidy truck and had a quick drive out to the parts shop.
But air conditioner have the problem.
Ah, okay, yeah. Oh, it's okay. It's...
Yeah. Good night. Hello. Hey. Oh.
สวัสดีครับ
แล้วตัวเดียวอ่ะตัวเดียว
ผมมีคู่ผมคนขาย อันนี้มีอ๋อโอเค
Okay, thank you. Good grab. With the filter in hand, Bon soon had it fitted.
พอก่อนอะไรวะแบตจะหมดพอก่อน
Good, yeah.
With the truck now mechanically sound, the next job was to sort out the tax and insurance. All vehicles driven on Thai roads must have what is called Paw Raw Bor. This is the compulsory basic insurance that covers any medical fees in the case of an accident. There is also a road tax to pay that is calculated based on the type of vehicle, age and engine size. Fortunately for me though, older vehicles are much cheaper to tax. Finally, cars over 5 years old must undergo a vehicle inspection. Bond kindly offered to take me to the vehicle inspection centre to get the inspection done. This consists of verifying the car engine numbers as well as inspecting the lights, brakes and exhaust. This centre also offered a complete service where they could arrange the tax and insurance as well, for a small fee. These are normally acquired at the local Department for Land and Transport. So in total, I paid 1,700 baht for the vehicle check, tax and insurance for the year. Not too bad. There was a short wait to get all this done, but a couple of days later, I was fully road legal. While I was waiting, I got Bond to carry out some additional upgrades on the truck.
This chain.
Yeah, much better, yeah. Hey, how are you?
Wiring mechanic.
Yeah. Is it this?
Yes,
Yes, yeah, very nice.
อันนี้ของเมื่อวาน
He also put 2 seat belts in.
Yeah.
Bond's mechanic friend Diao also had a seriously cool 620.
Oh, nice.
Sweet. I was very pleased with the work Bond had done for me, coming to a grand total of 9,830 baht. Not bad at all considering some of the parts needed, such as a distributor, half the carb, complete set of seat belts, a brand new ignition barrel, and much more, and all the labour he's put in. So overall, I was very pleased. Bond also showed me around his truck and showed me some of the modifications I could get done in the future.
Oh, yeah. And how much?
Second, this and cleaning, repair the kit pick and move พร้อมใส่กับประมาณวัน7,000 เนาะ 7,000 ไม่ได้เพราะว่าเรื่องทุกซ่อมประมาณ 7-8,000 พร้อมใส่
Almost it's done about 8,000 baht. Yeah.
8,000
Yeah.
for the
Yeah.
move section
Yeah. Is that including the parts? Yeah. Okay. And is it much better than the drum?
Yeah, drum.
Yeah. Is this much better?
This
Like,
the O.
yeah.
The O เนี่ย This the O
He
base
have many.
too much
Too much.
This the O base
Yeah.
Yes,
Old,
O brake.
yeah.
This front O brake I don't die this the flip
Yeah.
not steering brake the rev too much and rev little bit and this brake this okay
And also told me a bit more about the history of Datsuns in Thailand.
in Thailand this model in Datsun ช้างเหยียบ
In Thai is called Datsun Chiang Mai.
Chang.
Chiang Mai, yeah, Chiang.
ช้าง elephant ช้าง
Oh, okay, yeah.
When a long time, here is a spot for pick up the elephant in.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Thailand
Yeah, after that it's called Datsun Chiang Mai.
yeah
Yeah.
ช้างเหยีย
Oh,
บ
cool. Chang.
Yeah, can pick up
ช้างเหยียบ
elephant. Yeah.
Yeah.
Them show can pick up elephant.
Okay. So I'll go get elephant. I'll go. Yeah.
เขาเรียกว่าopen the meeting แนวแคมปิ้งพาช้างขึ้นดอยช้างว่าไงวะelephant go to doi elephant you
โดยช้าง
Oh.
โดยช้าง is mean mountain of
Elephant.
Elephant, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have the
Yeah,
meeting there.
elephant
Yeah.
goes to
Oh,
elephant.
it's like
Yeah.
the home. The
Yeah,
home
go
for
home,
the
yeah.
We had a good laugh and spent ages talking. He showed me his Nissan RZ1 and his Toyota Hilux. There was some really cool stuff here. Before heading off, Bon wanted to cook me a meal, so we headed to the best butcher's market in town. Bon prepared an absolute feast. And I tasted some of the best food I'd had in a long time. I felt so fortunate to be around such warm and welcoming people. But eventually, it was time to leave. I'll definitely be back soon to visit my new friends. In the next video, I plan to do a full walk around of the truck and begin getting it ready for its first big road trip. So don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.